KSPS PBS is your trusted source for educational and enriching content. We couldn't continue bringing you quality programming without the incredible support of viewers like you. Today, we have an exciting opportunity for you to become a sustaining member of KSPS PBS with a monthly donation of just $10 or more. As a token of our appreciation, we're thrilled to offer you a one-year digital subscription to the New York Times Cooking. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey like never before. With over 19,000 mouth-watering recipes at your fingertips, it's time to unleash your inner chef and explore the vast archive of NYT Cooking. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro in the kitchen, the instructional cooking guides cater to all levels, making every meal a delightful success. Keep your favorite recipes organized and easily accessible with your personalized recipe box, ensuring you never miss a beat in your cooking routine. And the best part? Take your culinary adventures on the go. Download the iOS or Android mobile app and have NYT Cooking by your side wherever you are. Your digital subscription includes unlimited access to the NYT Cooking Recipe Archive, along with exclusive how-to cooking guides and your personal recipe box. This exclusive offer is for non-current NYT Cooking subscribers only, but don't keep it to yourself. Your subscription codes are fully transferable and can be shared as delightful gifts with your loved ones. To claim your digital access to the New York Times Cooking, simply become a KSPS PBS sustainer with a sustaining donation of $10 a month or more. Your generosity helps us continue providing quality educational content that informs, inspires, and ignites curiosity in viewers of all ages. So call us now or visit ksps.org to become a sustaining member and receive your one-year digital subscription to NYT Cooking. And remember, this thank you gift is yours for a donation of $10 a month or more. Your contribution matters, and together we can continue to cook up a world of knowledge and entertainment. Thank you for supporting KSPS PBS.